Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export your chart of accounts to Excel in QuickBooks Online. This is incredibly useful when you need to analyze your accounts offline, share your financial structure with your accountant, or create custom reports outside of QuickBooks. First, you'll want to navigate to the Chart of Accounts section, look for the menu in QuickBooks Online, and select Chart of Accounts from the submenu. This is where all your company's accounts are organized, from assets and liabilities to income and expenses. Once you're viewing your chart of accounts, click the Run Report button located at the top right of the page. This button generates a detailed report view of all your accounts, which is necessary before you can export the data. The report format gives you more control over what gets exported and how it's structured. Now that the report is displayed on your screen, locate the Export icon in the upper right corner. It typically looks like a paper with an arrow pointing outward. Click on this icon to reveal your export options. This is the key step that allows you to take your QuickBooks data and use it in other programs. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Export to Excel. QuickBooks will immediately begin processing your request and preparing the file for download. Depending on the size of your chart of accounts, this should only take a few seconds. The file will automatically download to your computer's default download folder. Finally, open the downloaded Excel file to view and work with your chart of accounts data. You'll see all your account names, types, detail types, and balances neatly organized in spreadsheet format. From here, you can sort, filter, or manipulate the data however you need for your financial analysis or reporting purposes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.